The celebration of culture and diplomacy takes center stage as the Chinese Spring Festival Cultural Gala brings together leaders, diplomats, and invited guests in the spirit of renewal and friendship. Hosted by the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, the event highlights the strong and growing relationship between China and Timor-Leste, using cultural exchange as a bridge for mutual understanding and cooperation.
I take this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to His Excellency President Xi Jinping, to the government, companies, and People's Republic of China for your support, generosity, and contribution over the past 24 years of the restoration of Timor-Leste independence. I would like to extend very special thanks to the doctors of the Chinese Medical Brigade, as well as the entrepreneurs and workers who every day contribute to the modernization, health, development, and well-being of our country. May the year of hope bring courage, progress, new opportunities, and joy to every home. Chinian, Waile, Bon Shi Fakai. Thank you very much.
Ramuzorta welcomed guests to the Spring Festival celebration and highlighted the importance of cultural exchange in strengthening the friendship between Timor-Leste and China. He expressed appreciation for China's continued support to national development and reaffirmed Timor-Leste's commitment to deepening bilateral cooperation based on mutual respect and shared values.
As China-Timor-Leste relations continue to deepen, the Chinese Spring Festival has increasingly become part of the social fabric of Timor-Leste. The festive Chinese New Year atmosphere is growing ever stronger on the streets of Delhi. This vividly reflects the integration of Chinese Spring Festival culture into the local diverse culture and showcases the increasing close people-to-people exchanges and deepening mutual understanding between our two peoples. Through today's event, I hope the Timorese people could experience the culture, customs, and traditions of the Chinese Spring Festival in person and join the Chinese people in enjoying this joyful and festive spirit.
Ambassador Wang Wenli conveyed Spring Festival greetings and emphasized the strong and enduring partnership between China and Timor-Leste. She reaffirmed China's readiness to continue supporting Timor-Leste's development and underscored the role of cultural cooperation in enhancing people-to-people ties and promoting a shared future between the two nations. Of gastronomy, traditional performances, and shared traditions. The gala reflects a commitment to harmony, respect, and continued partnership between the two nations.